Well, 'tis the season, and I've got a new build for you and a new wizard. So let's get right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start Kodi. I'm going to show you how to install this new wizard. It's the Ultra Wizard 2.0. Now notice here I started my Kodi. I put a different background on it just to show you when we put the new build on. You're going to see different background. It'll have the city that you're used to. But I got a little space oddity going on here. So when it first starts, you'll see it takes it a minute here and the background stuff will load. I'm going to flip through here and you'll see it's picking up everything. And you just give it a few minutes when you first start it, you know. So anyway, let's go over here. And here's a problem a lot of you people are having right now. I'm going to go over to the Ultra Wizard. I'm going to open it up. And if you tried to update your build recently, you're probably looking at something like this. Android apps, program add-ons. That's right, the old Ultra Wizard broke. So let's go ahead and back out of that, and I'm going to show you how to fix this thing. So there's a couple ways to go about it, but I'm going to show you the way I like to do it. So let's get right into it here. So if you're on Kodi right here, let's just go ahead and shut this thing down right now. So we'll go to shutdown, click on that, let it do its thing. Okay, on the main screen right here, what you want to do is you want to go down here to settings. And then we want to go to apps, click on that. And then we want to go to downloaded apps and then highlight Kodi and click on that. And then you see right here you got several different things right here. Very carefully, don't uninstall. Oh, don't do that, because if you do that you're going to have to get me the box back and we're going to have to fix it for you. If you do, hey, no big deal. I'll take care of it for you. But just go here to clear data. Highlight that, click on it. This screen will pop up, click OK. It does its little thing, computing. It'll get done here in a minute. Give it some time. There you go. You got a 0. So let's back out of that. Okay, now let's reopen Kodi. You see it says preparing for first run. What it's done is it's completely wiped everything off of Kodi, the build and everything. So this is a completely clean Kodi, first run. There's absolutely nothing on it. Now, since there's nothing on it, the very first thing we need to do is go up here. See that little guy that's highlighted? The little gear cog? Click on that. And then we need to go over here to System Settings that I've got highlighted and click on that. Now go down to Add-ons. Ignore this message right here. You can just go ahead and click OK. And you want to go over to Unknown Sources. And you want to enable unknown sources. This message will pop up. Click Yes. And then we can go ahead and back out of that. That allows your wizard and all your add-ons to work now. Okay, now we've backed out and we're on the screen here that we went to for system settings. While we're here, we want to go down to this file folder that says File Manager and click on that. Right here, go down and click on Add Source. This is where we're going to add our wizard. Now, where it says None, click on that. And this, I'm going to type this in, and if you need to, go ahead and pause this. You have to type this in exactly as I type it in. The internet is dumb. You have to type this in exactly. If you don't type it in exactly, it won't work. So here's what you got to type in. http:// www.ultrawizard.esy.es/wizard. And then you want to click OK. Now it says down here, enter a name for the media source. You can leave it as Wizard, that's fine. Click on OK. If you typed it in right, you'll see it pops up there in the file manager. If you didn't type it in right, you're going to get some message that tells you that it can't connect or something. Go back and check and make sure you typed in exactly what I said. Okay, now you can back out of this. Back out once again. Now you're on the home screen. Now go down here to add-ons. Click on add-ons. And when you clicked on that, go up to this little box on the left. See that little open box I highlighted? Click on that. This screen opens up. You want to go down here and click on Install from Zip File. This list pops up and look, Wizard's on the list. Click on Wizard. There's one file in there, plugin.program.ultrawizard2.zip. Click on that and then let it do its thing. I'm not going to fast forward the video. I'm going to let this all happen in real time so you can see exactly what happens. So as you can see, it's going to take it a second here. It's working. There'll be a message that'll pop up that'll tell you that it's installed. And there it is. Add-on installed. When it installs, I've got this little screen that pops up here. First time. Tells you welcome to the brand new Wizard. And some changes are coming soon. So we can go ahead and click over on dismiss, unless you want to keep on seeing this message over and over again. And then once that dismisses, then this first run screen pops up, and this enables you to set up some special settings in your build. I'll go over this later. For now, let's just go ahead and click continue. I'll do a video on this later to be able to fine-tune your build, but we'll just click continue for now. Now this detects that there is no build installed, so it automatically defaults to the build menu. Go ahead and click that, and you come up to the build screen. The current build is the Ultra Build version 1. Then we come down the menu, and then here is our install. We can do a fresh install or a standard install. Now the fresh install will wipe the previous build and then it'll go ahead and install. We don't need to do that because we've already got a clean copy of Kodi, so we'll just do the standard install this time. Now when new builds come out, you're going to want to do the fresh install, but for this time let's do the standard install. So I've got that highlighted and I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then it asks me would I like to download and install Ultra Build version 1, and yes I would, so I'll click on that. And as you can see, it's almost finished downloading, and then it will install. And now the installation has started. On the shoulder of somebody's Saturday night. Read the good book, studied it too, but nothing prepared me for living with you. And it's almost finished installing. Okay, now it's asking, would you like to force close Kodi or reload the profile? Again, we'll mess with profiles later on. That's going to be in a later video. For now, let's just go ahead and force close. And we've closed Kodi. Now all we have to do now is reopen Kodi and enjoy our new build. Now, first run, it's going to do a couple things. It's going to take a little bit to open. As you can see, got the new background. We're going to have a new wizard installed. And we're going to have some new add-ons installed. This new build has all the links fixed. All the add-ons are working. Got some great new add-ons in the favorites section. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's working great. And since this is wiped now, you're going to have to go ahead and install your Terrarium TV and your Mobdro, and you can do that through the wizard. I'll show you real fast after this gets finished loading. As you can see, you're going to see the skin shortcuts right in the menu. This will blank out again, and then the banners will come back up again. It'll do its forced updates. You see at the top of the screen. There might be a couple more messages, and then the build will be ready to use. Like I said, first time it takes a few minutes to get going, but just be patient, and then after that you'll be good to go. Yeah, it's all starting to come in now. Okay, so everything's loaded. It's all ready to go. You're familiar with all the add-ons already if you've used the build before. In this section, now we have Maverick TV. The Pyramid is fixed. Wolfpack and Supremacy are the same, and Bob Unleashed is back. And in the music section, we've added Now Music, along with Jukebox Hero, Django, MP3 streams. And in TV shows and movie section, UK Turks, Covenant, and Exodus. So that's the build, pretty much, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks.